Learn English with Miss Key. Hello friends. Today we are going to learn English using a very important technique that is known as shadowing. Whenever required, you can pause my video and repeat each and every line after me. This will help you to improve your English. It will improve your fluency and will boost your confidence. So let's get started. Today's topic is the magic of colors. I am so excited. Colors are my favorite thing to talk about. Let's start very simple. Tell me, why are colors so important? What do you think? Colors make a world beautiful and exciting. Imagine if everything was only black and white. It would be so boring, isn't it? Colors make things look alive. Okay, here is a fun question. What are the three main colors called? They are called the primary colors, that are red, blue, and yellow. Fantastic! And what happens if we mix these colors? When we mix two primary colors, we get secondary colors. For example, red is mixed with blue, then we get purple color. Similarly, when blue is mixed with yellow, it gives us green color. And red plus yellow is orange. That's like magic. Do colors tell us something about feelings? Yes, colors show emotions. For example, yellow feels happy like sunshine. Blue feels calm like the ocean. Red feels strong like the fire. Amazing! Where can we see the most beautiful colors together? In the rainbow. Rainbow has 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, and indigo. Now let's play a game. Do you want to play a game? Yes. I will say a color and you quickly tell me one thing in nature that has the same color. Ready? Let's go. Green. Tree. Yes, tree has green color. Perfect. Now the next one. Blue. The sky and the ocean are blue. Now the next one. Red. Apples are red and so are the roses. Next, yellow. Bananas are yellow and so is the sun. Colors are everywhere in nature. Nature is like the biggest painting in the world. That is a beautiful thought, I think. Colors are not just in nature, they are very important in a daily life also. For example, in traffic light, red means stop, green means go, and yellow means slow down. Exactly. Without colors, driving would be very difficult. And do you know, even in food, colors matter. Yes, colorful fruits and vegetables are healthy. Orange carrots are good for the eyes. Red tomatoes keeps us strong. Green spinach makes us healthy. Eating a rainbow on your plate is the best way to stay fit. Colors are not just fun, they keeps us healthy too. Now let's play a game called Guess the Colors. I will describe something and you tell me its color. Okay? It sounds fun. Let's start. It's round and it is in the sky during the day. It shines bright. Now tell me what it is. That is easy. It's a sun and it is yellow in color. Next one. It is sweet. You can eat it and it is often shaped as a heart. Now tell me what it is. That is a strawberry and it is red in color. Perfect. Now the next one. It's soft, it floats in the sky and it often looks like a cotton candy. Now tell me what it is. Clouds. They are white in color. Perfect. We learned so much today. Primary colors, secondary colors, feelings of colors, the colors in food, and even the new words. Colors are truly magical. Friends, don't forget to look around you today. Count how many colors you can find in your room, in your clothes, or in your food. And remember, the world is a happier place because of colors. Till then, bye bye. Keep learning and keep coloring your world. If you found this video useful, then please like the video and hit the subscribe button. Bye bye.